we got a package from Temu. I paid for it. There's nothing free in here. And there's a lot of stuff that's not nail stuff. It's like maybe half and half, so you'll have to bear with me on the not nail stuff. I'll go through it quick. But there's some really cool, exciting stuff in here. There's presents in here, lady presents.
Holy.
I'm here with Nail Bestie Carrie.
Hello.
And there's some friend presents in here. All right. They sent me a big, huge bag. That's interesting. With one little thing in it. I don't know what it is. And there's this big, huge bag with Temu on it. Maybe they were supposed to put all the packages inside it. I don't know.
Oh, that's funny.
Because this bag doesn't have a zipper. Like, it has a Ziploc, but it doesn't have a zipper. So what is this? Oh, no, I did buy this. Okay, this is something I bought. So they just put it into a gigantic Temu bag for some reason.
Oh, my goodness.
So this I got from my mommy.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Hopefully my mom's not watching this. And she is a frog lover. And it was like $2. It was so cute. And I'm working on a set of frog nails for her. So I was like, when her frog nails are done, I'll send her this cute little frog to go with her frog nails. So yeah.
That's adorable.
And here's our lids for our water jugs.
Sweet.
There we go. Okay. Again, this is not nails.
What is this?
This is a gift for Carrie.
What? What is it? There's a bat on it.
Because I know how you like stained glass. Stained glass stuff. It's not quite what I was expecting.
It's still cute though.
I think you peel the backing off and it will be more sun catchery. Okay. But it's like sun catcher idea, and then you hang it up. It was cute. I was like, ooh,
you just put it as this.
I had to buy it. And I was like, oh, I want this, but I have nowhere to put it. I don't have sun that comes in. So there you go.
Oh my god.
And this is another present for Carrie.
Oh my goodness.
I told you. There was just little things, and it was just too cute.
What is it?
So this is for your sticker book.
Oh my goodness.
They're all cool tarot kitties.
That is adorable.
Aren't they neat little kitties?
Yes.
So cool stained glass theme. Stained glass tarot kitties. So here, I'll give you those to put back in the bag.
Thank you very much.
And what else is not?
Goodness gracious.
This is something for you, but I'm not going to talk about that. I'm just going to do that.
Okay.
And here's another one. This is for both of us because we've decided to start trying out diamond painting.
Yeah.
So this is a kit that has so you can do more than one. So you're not going one. There's a roller on here, so you can do a whole roller wheel or like 9 in a row or whatever. There you go.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
I'm so excited.
I know, right? Oh, here's something else that's not nails. It's not a present for Carrie, though. This is for my puppy. I'm hoping. This is for Maya. I'm hoping it fits.
Aw,
this is way big. Oh, extra small, but that is massive.
You can adjust it.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to fit, though. Their measurements are a little off, I would say. My Chihuahua is only 10 pounds. I cannot see.
Yeah, maybe. The back, you can make the back a little smaller. I don't know. You're going to have to try it on her. You might be surprised.
We'll see.
Yeah,
we'll have to see what happens. But it seems way bigger than I expected. You know what I mean? Like, there's way more to it. I thought it does say it's an extra small one. Oh, no, here it says small. Oh, no, it all says small. I thought it was extra small. Okay, whatever. We'll see.
Yeah.
See what happens. Because my little Chihuahua got a little chubby and doesn't fit her thing anymore. Okay.
Oh my God, look at all the cool nail stickers you got, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and I'll finish the things that are not nails and get them out of the way. And let's see what these are.
Is this the first time you have purchased stuff from Temu?
No,
it's not.
I don't use Temu very often because I just prefer AliExpress. It has way more selection for us in Canada. Temu does have selection, but it's more limited than people in the States. They have lots and lots of stuff to choose from. We don't have nearly as much. Okay. So I often end up, and same thing with Shein. The US has way more access to stuff. And so I often just go straight to AliExpress because it's all the same stuff. You just have to wait a little bit longer. Yeah. But we get way more choices. Okay, so these are for you and me. Okay. We'll just have to divvy them up and see what we're going to do. We're going to play with these later. So they are, and it even came with tweezers. That's awesome. They are stickers where you make little rooms.
Yeah.
Little diorama rooms. I don't know if there's a picture to show any of them. Oh, they're all covered.
That's cute.
But you make like maybe one of these. I got a bunch of them. Because they are so cute. Oh. Maybe one of these other ones. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So
oh my goodness.
So do you see this room?
Yes.
So you get all the little stickers and you lay it out. It's like, you know what I saw these? You know why I had to get them? You know what it made me think of? The Sims.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is sticker Sims. And you love Sims.
I do love
and
Sims.
we're going to do sticker stuff. And I was like, this is Sim sticker. You're building little rooms.
Yeah.
You're building a supermarket. You're building a little
I
bakery.
never knew about
you never
these.
saw. I wondered if you'd seen them.
No, I haven't.
They were so cute. And they're not expensive.
I didn't even know.
And then I got another set.
This how sad is that?
Isn't these that cute? I think these are newer.
Once
I started seeing them, I saw one on one of those random Instagram. These are cute. Okay, I'm keeping this one. I saw it on one of those random Instagram sponsored ad things or whatever that came up, and I was like, oh, buy from the website, and I'm like, I bet you this stuff's on Temu and Shein and everywhere, right? So I went looking for different ones, and I'm like, look at how fun it's gonna be to make all these little sticker scenes. Oh my gosh,
that is really cute. Yep. Yeah, that's really cute.
So I thought this will be a fun way to do.
Oh, look at the kitties.
When you started talking, this one's little pandas. When you started talking about sticker books, I was like, oh, these look so fun. Okay.
They look, yes.
So there's those, and then we got tweezers, and then I did get a tweezer set for us to do them, but it came with one of them came with it, and this I got for free.
What is this? This
is again, we were talking about building little. This is a magic shop. Remember you sent me that Instagram reel that you were like, this is what I could be doing. And she was building all those little tiny miniatures to build a witch shop or something.
Yeah, she was this little witch shop type of thing.
Yeah, this
you
is.
got that for free.
Yeah, because I one of those spin the wheel thing, whatever.
Moon magic.
So this is a little magic shop. You build a little magic. It's a 3D puzzle. Build your little magic shop.
That is so cool? Cute, eh?
So I'm like, this might be fun for us to do.
Yes, that is
I wanted to check it out. So,
look at all the cute little things that come with it.
And you build your walls and your little...
it.
Yeah. So,
oh my goodness.
Isn't that nifty?
That is nifty.
And so it was like $20 or something.
Corner
and then
of happiness.
And there's all different ones, but I got magic because that's way more fun.
Yeah, you can see right there. It's on the side. Yeah, you're notched off.
So,
magic.
Yeah. So I thought that'd be fun. Okay, this stuff's for nails.
Okay.
Oh, that was nothing. Okay. I got some zebra boards, some boomerang files. There we go. I got this. So typically I use always my nail tip stands, but they have magnets in them and they connect. So I noticed when I'm doing cat eye designs, I really struggle because there's magnets in there that are affecting the cat eye magnet, right? So I do have big solid, these style.
Yeah.
Right, and they have sticky tack on them, but I don't like they're all lined up and close to each other. And some of the designs I do, especially if I'm working with magnet, then you want to be able to just take the individual nail and do stuff. And these slide apart. Yeah, so you can just do one nail at a time.
Remember
and do
when
your
you
magic
were
stuff.
having a really hard time with your magnets?
Yeah.
Your magnet gel, you couldn't get your magnets to work and stuff?
Yeah.
Do you think that's why?
Yeah, it might be part of it. Yeah, yeah. In some cases, for certain things,
that's crazy.
That might have something to do with it, right? Depending on how strong the magnets are. And then I just saw a bunch of cute Halloween stuff.
Yeah, I'm looking at those.
So,
those are so cute.
These are little ghosty. And I just did my sticker book. I just sorted my sticker books, but now I have to redo them. These little ghosts. So these are the little, these are images of those little ghosts that were really popular last year.
Yeah.
With the flower. One of them I looked at actually looked, maybe it's not this set, actually looked like they were trying to reproduce that set that was going around last year that was so popular. That was hand painted, but
those are the cutest
this one's
little
60s.
Ghosts.
They are cute.
I have a thing for ghosts. I really don't know what.
You see the little ghosties and they're adorable. I think I got another. Oh yeah, here's another. Another little ghosty pack. Oh, here's the ones I was thinking of that look like the. This is the nail set that was really popular last year.
Oh, with
right,
the pumpkin.
with those flowers.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It was a painting. It came from some kind of image, and same with this one. And everybody was recreating them.
Yeah.
And so now they're in sticker form for people like me that cannot hand paint to save their life.
Oh, those are so cute.
And I'll be sure to put links down for everything. I don't have affiliate or get anything for it, but they're super cute, and people might want them. I think a few of these might be a couple of duplicates from that. Yeah, this one looks the same. But a couple of them were different. So I was like, ooh, I want the really cute one out of there. Plus, I want the really cute one out of there. Yeah, like this one was super adorable. And this one is dogs and cat ghosties.
Aww.
Look at that. So, yeah, these weren't in the other set. So I got
cute,
them.
Eh?
So,
They're so adorable.
And then these ones are just water decals with some of the same images, it looks like. Looks like that's similar. But water decals are so cheap. Like,
yeah,
it doesn't hurt to have them. And some of them are so cute. I don't know, like I love the cutesy stuff, but I don't tend to use much cutesy stuff. But the cutesy stuff is so cutesy. Like, it's so adorable. But like these, I think I ended up getting them for like 70 cents or something.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And like that's Canadian, so Americans pay less than that. Okay.
Some of those are so cute.
And then these are all decals, or water decals too.
Yeah.
And I was thinking of you when I got them.
Yeah, obviously
I was
they're all kitties.
After getting the kitty stickers, I guess they just started feeding me kitty stuff. You know, the algorithms, right?
Yeah,
they know how to get you. And so I was like, oh my God, they're like less than $1. They're so cute. Some of them, like, oh my gosh, some of these are cute. Some of them are lame. Like, I don't like that one. But these little, you'll see it in a second. These little paw prints, like, hey. Oh my gosh. And this one, this is so cute. Look at this. I was like, we got to be doing you kitty nails, like, all the time.
Yeah.
We should be having you in these kitty nails. And
Aw.
then more kitties.
They're so cute. Jeez.
These are all different.
We're such a sucker for stickers, eh?
I know. I can't, like, I just love the images of stuff. They're so
me too.
adorable. And it's like, do I use them? Yeah. Sometimes. I do sometimes. But I always end up doing all kinds of other stuff. But they're so cute. And last kitties.
Aww.
This one's actual stickers. Those ones are all water
you and
decals.
me, those ones are cute. We'll love kitty ones. It's hard to find. Those ones are
guys
adorable.
are funny.
Yeah. Yeah, I was eyeing those ones underneath
so
the
cute.
pile. I could see them, and I was like, "Oh, she is a real cute bear in there."
Okay, and then these are cool skull. I love this. I love this.
Yeah, these ones you have right now are. I love the gel or the
gem look. Yeah,
the gem look that they have.
And there's
in them.
skull in there, and yeah, they just do it just right. Like,
it's so nice.
the images are really cool. I really like those. And then I got them in every color.
Wow.
Red and blue and pink and purple. I think this one's a 4-pack. Yeah. Like this mirror with the hollow effect in it is so cool.
This one over here, I can't stop looking at this pink one. I'm like, oh my goodness.
These are like, oh, I hope I can use these for
so
a Halloween
neat.
set before Christmas. Or a Halloween set before Halloween's over. And this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow. That's kind of cool. I love this purple one too. Oh my gosh. I think you're going to like that too. Right?
Yes.
It's like, oh,
Man, I gotta get me some
with a nice
cool
syrup gel
stickers.
base. Some of these would be really neat. Yeah, like, and for stickers, just because they're nail stickers doesn't mean you can't use them in your sticker book.
I know.
Those are so awesome. And again, I love this. I love the bird cages and the...
Wow, these are so nice, eh?
That's really neat. Yeah,
I
couldn't not get. I was like, yeah, I know I have a zillion stickers. I know I have trillions and zillions, but I still have to. And then I decided to get some really long ass.
I was gonna ask, what are these?
Because when I did those, so I did these aquarium nails, and they weren't very long. Like, they're longer than I usually wear. They're prey, but that's the longest they had.
These are long.
These are long.
These are really long.
It's really long. Let's see. And they're small. They're really small, it seems like. Look at how long that is. Yeah, I got long ones. There we go. Okay, that'll do the trick.
Yeah.
I didn't, like, you can get ones that are, like, insane. And I was like, no, I don't want that. That's too much. But I did want, like, an extra.
Yeah, more to work with,
yeah,
right?
So that's perfect. That's kind of what I was looking for.
I need to see one.
Like, look at that, eh?
Yeah, I need to see one here.
Like, I wouldn't be able to wear this, guys.
What's this
But just for fun, for art stuff, like, look at is that long or
I
what?
wouldn't be able to
Isn't
wipe
that crazy?
my butt.
I know, like, so long. So yeah, so that's perfect for me. That's perfectly what I was looking for to do art tip stuff. Because I just needed that extra bit to work with.
Yeah, totally.
Right?
Those will work.
Do they have numbers on them? Oh yeah, they do kind of on the tips. It's just really light. So yeah, I don't know what the quality's like. Again, probably not going to wear them. They're just
the women who wear the super long nails, you have to give props.
I know, right? But again, it's just a matter of working up to it. You don't start off with this short and then go this long, right? You're going to have a hell of a time. But if you work your way up every time you get new nails and you're always wearing them, a little longer, and you just adjust until it's not a problem. So here's my goodie haul. And it came, like, it was in 2 separate orders because they did one of those spin the wheel and here's your order and whatever. And that's how I got all that stuff for really cheap and free. And so the one order was like $5. That was it. And then the other order or part of it was like $60. But still, I got a whole lot of really cool stuff and it's really different and it's going to be a lot of fun. And so now we're going to go play with things that aren't nails, probably stickers and other stuff. All right. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. As always, it's been a blast. Don't forget to love your nails. Bye.